Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the brand new Cricut Maker 4. It's the latest cutting machine from Cricut and it's been making waves in the crafting world. I'll walk you through its specs, compare it to the Cricut Maker 3, and show you how it performs with some of the materials that it came with. Let's get started. First, let's look at what came in the box. So the Cricut Maker 4 comes with the machine itself, of course. The color that I got is the seashell color. It also comes with the light grip mat, a fine point blade, a Cricut pen, yellow cardstock, smart iron-on vinyl, smart removable vinyl, transfer tape, and it also came with a mini weeder. And of course, it came with a power cord and a USB cable. Now let's get into these specs. The Cricut Maker 4 has a cutting force of 400 grams, which is 25% more than the Cricut Maker 3. This means it can cut through thicker materials like leather and balsa wood even more effortlessly than the Cricut Maker 3. It also cuts 2 times faster than the Cricut Maker 3, which is a game changer for large projects, and yes, it is still compatible with all your existing Cricut tools and accessories. So how does the Maker 3 stack up against the Maker 4? Well, let me tell you, the Maker 4 has a more powerful motor, faster cutting speeds, and a slightly more compact design. It also has a new adaptive tool system that automatically adjusts pressure and speed based on the material that you're using. The Maker 3 and the Maker 4 can cut the same amounts of materials, so both of them can cut over 300 different types of materials. The only main difference that I'm seeing is that the Maker 4 is 2 times as fast and it has more power than the Cricut Maker 3. Before we jump into the demo, let's take a quick look at Cricut Design Space. If you're new to Cricut, this is the software where you create and customize your projects. It's super intuitive. You can upload your own designs, use Cricut's templates, and even make your own designs directly in the app. The Maker 4 connects seamlessly via Bluetooth, so you can send your designs wirelessly. For today's demo, I'll be using the same design, this one that says Kenya Crafts, for all my tests. This way, you can see how the Cricut Maker 4 handles different materials with the same design. Once your design is ready, you just select your material, load your mat, and let the machine do the rest. Speaking of which, let's test it out. First up, we're cutting this yellow cardstock. I've chosen the same design I told you guys about, and we're going to use this to show off the precision of the Cricut Maker 4. Let's see how it does. I'm not going to speed this up. I'm going to have it cut in its normal speed so you guys can see the speed of this machine in real time. Look at that, it's clean, has crisp cuts, and no tearing. The Maker 4 handles paper like a pro. Alright, now let's try some smart iron-on. So you take your smart iron-on and you're going to load it into your machine. When you load it into the Cricut Maker 4, you want to make sure that matte side is up, not the shiny side. Once you load it into your machine, you press start and you're good to go. With this smart iron-on, you don't need a mat. This matless design makes crafting so much easier, y'all. Also, with the iron-on, if you're new to Cricut, make sure your design is mirrored. If you don't mirror your design, then when you press it onto whatever material you're pressing it onto, it's going to be backwards. Once you're done cutting out your design, you're going to take your weeder and you're going to weed away all that excess vinyl. I'm using the mini weeder that it came with. I'm not really a fan of this little mini weeder, but if you're new to Cricut, you're not going to have all the extra materials yet. So this is good to practice before you go out and get other materials to go with your Cricut. I'm adding my design onto this cute little tote bag that I made a while back. I have a tutorial if you guys want it. Anyway, so I'm going to put the design onto the tote bag, shiny side up, and I'm going to use my easy press to press it onto the bag. And there you go, a perfect iron-on design in just minutes. The precision here is really good, guys. Now let's test our smart removable vinyl. So you're going to load your smart vinyl into your Cricut Maker 4 just like you did the iron-on vinyl. Once it's loaded into your machine, you're going to press start and cut your design out. Once your design is cut out, you're going to weed away the excess vinyl just like we did the iron-on, and you're going to take some of the transfer tape that came with the machine to transfer the design from its backing onto your surface. I'm going to transfer this design onto a section of the envelope that all the materials came in. Lastly, we're going to try out the Cricut pen and test out the Maker 4's writing function. So I'm going to be writing the same design that I cut out of the paper the iron-on, and the removable vinyl. So this is perfect for adding personalized touches to cards or invitations. I love using Cricut's writing function. If you've never used Cricut before, to load your pen, you're going to open the clamp in compartment A, and you're going to insert your pen until it clicks. You're going to close it up, and then you can load your paper. So I'm adding this yellow cardstock, the same one I used to cut out the paper before. I'm going to be adding it onto that light grip mat and loading it into the machine. Once it's loaded into the machine, it's going to write. So after it's done writing, it's so beautiful. I love using the Cricut writing function, especially for my scrapbook pages. All right, now that we're done demonstrating, we're going to talk about the color options and where you can find the Cricut Maker 4. So the Cricut Maker 4 comes in 2 colors. The first color is sage. It's like a really beautiful, I can't even describe it. It looks like a teal, but it's not a teal, so they call it sage. But anyways, that color is sold exclusively at Michael's. You can't find it anywhere else. If you want that sage color, you have to get it from Michael's. The second color is seashell, which is the color that I have. It's this really pretty like light pink color, and the top is a rose gold. It definitely fits my vibe. If y'all have seen my craft room, y'all know everything is pink. I love pink everything. Anyway, so that's only going to be available at Cricut.com for now. I want to say for 2 weeks it's exclusive. And then after 2 weeks, it's going to be in all major retailers. So y'all know, wherever you want to buy your craft supplies, you can find them there. After testing out the Maker 4, I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts. So first thoughts on it is it's absolutely beautiful. I love the color of it. I think it's aesthetically pleasing, and the speed on it is amazing. So if you're new to Cricut and you've never tried it before, I definitely highly recommend you getting the new Cricut Maker 4. Also, if you have an older version of Cricut, like a Cricut Maker 1 and Explorer 2, Explorer 3, I definitely suggest you guys upgrade to the Cricut Maker 4. It's beautiful if you want to upgrade, of course. But if you have the Cricut Maker 3, I don't think there's that much of a difference between the 3 and the 4 if you just want to upgrade to a higher machine, if that makes sense. So the Maker 3 and the Maker 4 can cut the same amount of materials. They both cut up to 300 different materials. The main difference between the 3 and the 4 is going to be that 2 times speed and more power. So if you want faster cuts, you can definitely upgrade. Or if you're just ready for a change of pace and you want a new machine, then get the Cricut Maker 4. You know, of course, it's your money. You can buy what you want to. But I don't think that there's enough difference for you to feel the need to upgrade if you have a Maker 3. And that's the Cricut Maker 4. It's a powerful, versatile machine that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters. So whether you're cutting paper, ironing on designs, or writing with the pen, this machine delivers incredible results. If you're thinking about upgrading or jumping into the world of Cricut, I highly recommend the Maker 4. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crafting tips and reviews. I'll see you guys later.